Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product from CherryAmericas.com. This is the Cherry DC2000. It's a very inexpensive, super great deal when it comes down to it. Corded business desktop combo with Cherry quality built into it. This thing is super cheap and inexpensive. It's just crazy how inexpensive it is. But what's beautiful, it's got the same sort of type of quiet keyboard that you have with the Cherry keyboards that they make. They are renowned for making these industrial style keyboards that are super quiet, ultra, the keys last a long time. And this is a great way to get one that's fairly inexpensive and also is going to be much quieter than most of the keyboards you're going to find out there in this price range or even $100 above this price range. It's optimized for professional use in the office with GS approval. It's got wired mouse that comes with it with 3 keys and a scroll wheel. Symmetry design in standard size. It's suitable for left and right hand users. It's got resolution of 1200 DPI. And it's got a flat corded keyboard with abrasion resistance labeling, 4 hotkeys, 3 blue status LEDs, up to 10 million keystrokes, plug and play via USB connection for keyboard and for the mouse, and this keyboard awarded Blauer Engel environmental seal. So pretty cool that way. I was very impressed with it. I gotta tell you, it's much quieter than the cheap keyboard that I buy off of Amazon. Every time I break one down or one goes bad on me, I buy one from there. You're gonna find this is a lot more quieter. The mouse is great. I was very impressed with this product, and geez, it's a lot of value for the price you're gonna take and pay for this baby. It's super, super, super inexpensive. Anyway, I highly recommend it. Be sure to go to CherryAmericas.com. Tell Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Be sure to check in the ChrisVossShow.com often.